Jatend migao mar Thieth Aden Duale owachoni sirkal biro chulo gowi mar siling bilion 4 mibandho gi kod ute thieth e chenro mane gichiwo e bwo kuma machon mar SHA. Kalore kod jatend migao no, gowi no nitiere omenda mag budget mambalang' ma jatend piny nosepuodho kendo ibiro chak chulo ute thieth mag gope gi romo milion 10, okang' mageno konyo ute thieth matindo manoyudo midhiero e wi gope go. Gope modong' ibiro nywandi e budget ma iko omenda 2026-2027 kendo chudo margi chakre dwe mar 7.
In the supplementary budget that was passed, we have allocated 4 billion shillings, ready for payment next week. And these are people who owe the former NHIF between 1 shilling to 10 billion.
This the final bit of the work that is being undertaken by the Benefits Package Tariffs Advisory Panel, the menu that we are going to offer Kenyans. This work is ongoing and is shared by one of us, Professor Walter Jaoko. We are reviewing the entire package that we offer under Social Health Authority, and this is the right time for you to be able to bring your considerations into this discussion.
Work that has been done, be paid for. We cannot be begging a finance system to pay us for work that has been done. And therefore the challenges that the Social Health Authority is having in not paying those who have actually done work should be rectified, and Kenya Medical Association will assist in smoothening this.
Jodak maongenya e ward ma Kabonyo Kanyagwal oyudo fuong'ruok bang' yudo kony mag chiemo e kina midhiero mar oula medo kelonegi midhiero e gwenge ma kono. Konyno